Domačija stoji le lučaj od Smaragdne reke in z neprecenljivim razgledom na Mežaklo na enem in Pokljuko na drugem bregu. Novi lastnik jo je v preteklem letu popolnoma prenovil, kar je terjalo veliko truda, sploh ker je hiša morala ohraniti svoje glavne zunanje značilnosti. Stoji namreč v Triglavskem narodnem parku. Smo v idilični dolini. Na eni strani lahko slišite šumenje reke Radovna, na drugi strani pa vidimo staro domačijo, ki jo je novi lastnik dal prenoviti z veliko mero spoštovanja do kulturne dediščine, njeno notranjost pa opremil z veliko sloga in nekako bolj na moški način. Hi Jade, we've known each other for some time now and I have to say I'm not surprised being impressed.
Thank you very much. Always lovely to see you and to share the projects with you and for you to come and experience our design.
Okay, so you were in charge of the renovation of this old Corinthian house. What was it? How was it?
When we first got it, it's been a long process with this house. We've been working on it for about 5 years. So it's now been just part of my life, and it's been a huge process to get to this point. We've had a lot of challenges along the way because it was a complete renovation. We needed to, we're in Triglav National Park, so we needed to do a planning permission, and it was a long process, and we wanted to make sure that we did everything by the book and also that we did justification to the restoration of this house.
How did the fact that we're in the protected zone of the Triglav National Park affect the renovation in details? I mean, the windows, the roof, and so on.
Yeah, it's a good question because they are really involved in the renovation process, and so they should be. So we've had to, we've done a well here using the natural waters. We can't bring water down here. We also had to do natural wooden windows. We had to be particular in the roof tiles that we picked, and so on. So it's a process that they're very much involved in, but we managed to get there in the end.
I'm curious about the French window here. I'm pretty sure it originally wasn't there.
Right, good eye. The one part of the house that we actually changed took a window and made it into the French door, because we are right here next to the river, and to be able to access that through the house and not have to go in the back, as that's where the front door is, but that you could actually just walk out into that lovely garden and that scenery. We thought that was one minor change that was worth it. So,
Hiša je ena izmed redkih, ki je med drugo svetovno vojno ostala nepoškodovana. Niže po cesti je spomenik domačinom, ki so jih nacisti umorili, ker so skrivali 2 ujetnika. Kasneje so podtaknili ogenj po skorajda vseh hišah v dolini. To hišo, ki se s ceste ne vidi, saj stoji nižje od travnika, tik ob reki, pa so spregledali. To je bil še en razlog več, da so se lastniki obnove lotili z vsem spoštovanjem do zgodovine stavbe. Would you please walk us through the ground plan of the house, through the rooms?
Originally, we haven't changed the actual footprint of the house, but we have knocked down a lot of walls and opened the space up inside. So outside it's historically accurate, but inside we've made big changes. So we start with kind of the living room we have here that we've opened up. We've used this beautiful tile that actually mimics kind of the cliffs and the stones outside. I wanted to kind of bring as much of the outdoor elements inside to reflect the environment that we're in. So you'll see this tile. I've used it a few places in the house. So when you first come in the front door, we have a nice hallway and entrance area with some closets and a WC that's just off of that. And then you come into this space that we call the main living room, where we have an open plan of living space and dining room. And then we call it our nature's TV spot, which is also alternatively kind of a study and relaxation zone that's by the French doors. And then that kind of falls into the kitchen, which again has another door there, but actually the kitchen used to be the wood log, and that door was access to that, so that in itself is still part of the original character of the building. So that's about it.
Yeah, but we have one floor left.
We have one floor. So after that, we go up the stairs, and then we've managed to get 3 bedrooms into this space. And so we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. The master bedroom is vaulted ceilings, really beautiful large space. We managed to get a fireplace in there, a little relaxation area. And then we've done a walk-in closet, and then off of that, we've done a master suite. Again, using this kind of stone tile, and part of the design I was kind of going for was this mid-century contemporary modern fisherman's cottage. Something that I think like today's James Bond would have, you know, to get away from all the criminals. This is the place he would relax with his girlfriends. So that was my inspiration kind of behind it.
That's right. If he ever comes to Slovenia, he should hide in a house like this.
Well, yeah, he should, and well, he'll be able to rent it, so that's perfect.
Jade nam je mimogrede dala še nekaj koristnih nasvetov, kako urediti interjer, da bo domačen, prijeten in toplejši. Z veseljem jih delimo z vami. To najlažje dosežemo z uporabo tekstila, kot so zavese, dekorativne blazine in preproge. Z njimi v prostor prinesemo toplino ali ščepec barvitosti. Druga pomembna stvar so rastline. Ni treba, da imate zelene prste, le nekaj preprostih sobnih rastlin in ustvarite lahko velik učinek. Prav tako pomembni so dodatki, kot so knjige, vaze, umetniška dela in podobno. Ti v prostor prinesejo značaj in osebni pečat tistega, ki živi tam. Vendar pri tem velja upoštevati pravilo manj je več. Ni nujno, da je vse pohištvo v enem slogu ali novo. Če imate kak star podedovan kos, ga obnovite in vključite v svoj interjer. Tako bo bolj razgibano in vaš dom bo izžareval individualnost. In nazadnje so tu še barve. Vedno je dobro v interjer dodati kako živahnejšo barvo. To je lahko kak manjši kos pohištva, dekorativne blazine ali umetniško delo. Pomembno je, da se barva kot rdeča nit pojavlja v celem interjerju, če tudi samo delček v vzorcu.
I would describe your style as elegant for sure, yet I feel very relaxed when I come to places you renovated. How you manage to combine those things?
It's really nice to hear, thank you. I think growing up, I moved around a lot, my family, and it just was like every time we moved, we brought our things with us, and my mother set up a really wonderful, warm home. And I think part of my design philosophy is not just to create a house, but to create a home. And, you know, I try to put the warmth into the house. And I do absolutely fall in love with all my projects and, you know, want to pour as much love and detail as possible into the design to kind of make everybody feel comfortable and warm and inviting. It's more how I like to showcase our places.
Okay, so James Bond, we're expecting you here.
Shaken, not stirred.